Hey there, global family. Welcome back to the channel where we break down global politics and African Caribbean connection. So today we are diving into a very odd topic. Is Trinidad and Tobago backing Burkina Faso's racing leader Ibrahim Traore? So guys, make sure you subscribe, watch the video till the end. So let's get into it. So, for those who may not know, Ibrahim is a young captain, leader who took over Burkina Faso in the year 2022, and his bold stance against Western exploitation and his push to Pan-Africanism have made waves across the continent and beyond. But here is a big question: is this revolutionary fire reaching as far as Caribbean, especially Trinidad and Tobago? As you all know, that Trinidad and Tobago, a key player in the CARICOM community, has historically supported African nations through diplomatic ties and also cultural connections. However, when it comes to open support for Ibrahim regime, the official stance seems more cautious. Unlike some African nations that have explicitly rallied behind Burkina Faso's new direction. So Trinidad and Tobago's government has maintained a neutral and diplomatic position. This is likely because Trinidad and Tobago, like many Caribbean nations, balances its interest carefully between the global superpowers, the African Union, and its regional alliances. But let's not forget the people's voice in Trinidad and Tobago is different from the official government lane. Many Trinidad people, especially those with African heritage, resonate deeply with anti-colonial and Pan-African message that Ibrahim represents. Now here, social media is buzzing with support for his bold moves, with some comparing his fight to past Caribbean struggles for independence. And now guys, let's be real. Let's be real for once. Trinidad and Tobago's economy relies heavily on oil and gas exports, with significant ties to Western powers. A bold endorsement of a leader like Ibrahim, who's challenging these very powers, might put diplomatic and economic relationship at risk. That's a tricky balancing act for a small nation, actually. And so the question is Trinidad and Tobago officially supporting Ibrahim Traore? But not exactly. But beneath the surface, you will find a wave of cultural support, solidarity from the people, and shared dreams of a more united Black and African world. Whether this grows into formal support, that's a story still unfolding. So guys, what do you think? Should Trinidad and Tobago step up and support leaders like Ibrahim, who are shaking up the system? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, to share, and also to subscribe for more global insight for the Caribbean and Africa. Till next time, stay, work, and stay connected. Peace.